Get it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey. No monkey.
Working hard, brother. 184.
See this voice change? 184.
That's a masculine 184. We need this for the cocaine with you. Alright, Farron, don't break the dyno.
Let's hope not. Hey, man. It's rated R. Rated R, you can't record.
Turnout is freaking epic. I can't even get around to see everybody. Got my man Jack in the building. Having the icy, what up? What it do? That's the man turning it up on the dirt track. He's the one who got me out to the dirt and literally destroyed everything I had. But he's so much faster now, it's gonna be ridiculous. Oh, they running another one. I guess let me get inside and see what they're running. Hold on, let me get in, See what we're talking about.
196, bro.
Look at his fuel tank, what he got.
He did go around the block a couple times.
Yeah. Lando, where'd you go?
Yeah, where'd you go when you left?
Where'd you go when you left, man? Where'd you go when you left, my boy? What happened?
I just warmed the bike up. That's all I did.
Okay. I see what you did, my boy.
I had a special warming process. Yeah, it's a warm up now. That's what it is. See, Opie no.
So BMW on top right now. You took the gypsy spot. So BMW on top. That's all I want to do.
I think
I
we need
just
to
want to
find
walk out
out.
here with a BMW on, being the head dog, and you know.
Opie, can we see your dyno certification, sir?
The slowest Yamaha R1 in the Southeast.
That's a blast. It's just a blast.
Chat Jack, you ready, man? You ready? Let's see what it do, man. Let's see what it do, my boy.
Hey, I don't care about what it do on the dyno. I make it do what it do out there on the dirt. Right?
That's what they...
Let's go, old man. Let's go. Go, baby, go.
Just Just don't go jumping over me on the dirt now, okay?
Jump over me.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Well, I'm gonna see you on TV one day.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna see you on TV one day.
What year is this?
21.
2021.
Don't let it get away from you, Opie.
KTM 50 SX factory.
And last name?
Reinhardt.
Yeah, I'm gonna remember that. Reinhardt.
Yeah, baby.
I'm wearing my Jake Peck here. You know, just he's loud.
Got enough weight there? No, turn them all off.
Oh, we turning, baby. We turning, baby. Turn and burn, baby.
When I turn this thing around, I want
Hey, let's go! Yes, sir! 10 horsepower, let's go! Jack! Let's go, boy! Let's see if we get 12, baby. Good job, buddy! Woo! Woo!
Hit him with the knees.
Hit him with the knees!
Okay. No, it's fine.
Woo! All right, dude and dudettes, man. Just finished up with Dyno Day. What a freaking epic turnout, bro. This weather cleared up and allowed us to get out of here, man. But dude, thank God the weather cleared up and it's a beautiful day today, man. Beautiful day. Glad we decided to stick with it. But yeah, anyway, I appreciate you guys coming out. We're heading down to Mexico, baby, to meet up with some of the guys, some of the out-of-town people, and we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Let's cross over this hill. I ain't gonna strap it yet. Good. Good. Get in there, man! Bro, you got out the hole good. Was you first or second? Second, okay. Run it back. Second versus second. It's on you. Second gear. Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! That was good. That was from second. Yeah, that was good. Good. That's a much different race from second. Sheesh. Yeah, that new setup is money. Yeah, I'll have to see if I can find the video. Last time we raced, it wasn't even close, bro. Not even close. That is good. And again, it's not about, oh, let's try to embarrass somebody or whatever. It's, if he can only do second gear, there's nothing wrong with that. But his bike is just set up for second gear. We'll do second gear pulls. No big deal. Yeah, that joint working, bro. That's working. Yeah. Yes, sir. That's why at that first one I was like, wait, was you first or second? He's like second. I was like, all right, let's do it. And I was like, oh.
Boom shakalaka. Thank you for watching, dudes. Namake. the market. Thank you for watching, dude. The market.